Samsung Galaxy J7 Take-Apart Repair Guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, playing cards, power down your Samsung Galaxy J7 smartphone. Easily remove the Galaxy J7 rear cover. The only tool required is an opposable thumb. Take out the 3300 mAh Samsung Galaxy J7 battery. Remove the following 10 Phillips screws. Use the triangle opening tool to work around the Samsung phone and free the exterior midframe. Eradicate the Galaxy J7 loudspeaker box from the midframe. Remove the following Phillips screw. Detach the display cable and then the cable for the headphone jack assembly. With the cables out of the way, lift out the Galaxy J7 motherboard. Remove the 13-megapixel Galaxy J7 rear-facing camera from the motherboard. Spudge up the 5-megapixel Samsung Galaxy J7 front-facing camera. Pluck out the spring contact connected Galaxy J7 vibrator. Remove the earpiece speaker. Begin to free the Galaxy J7 display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive. Use playing cards to attack the adhesive, securing the display assembly to the interior midframe. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display cable and the cables for the bottom buttons when decoupling the Galaxy J7 screen from the mid-frame. Extract the Galaxy J7 home button. Remove the headphone jack assembly. It includes the home button switch, cables for the bottom buttons, and the headphone jack. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.